We are back with another Savage stream. Thanks everybody for tuning in. That's right, you get 2 scoops of Savage today because I posted a video earlier today and I'm going live tonight. Now tonight I don't have a whole lot to cover other than Conceal, one of my favorite projects. You guys that watch the channel for a little while know that I'm a fan of Conceal. I still am. Hey, what's up, Whale Alert? And they came out with a wallet update. It's a very small update, obviously, because they were already on 6.4.1, and I believe that there was like some crashing issues or something whenever the wallet launches, whenever you launch the wallet. So it looks like they might have hopefully figured that out. From the notes, it says that if you still experience the problem of the wallet crashing on launch, then they recommend that you uninstall everything, uninstall the wallet, and then reinstall the fresh version, the newest version 6.4.2. So what's up, Jay Bohannon? So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I don't have a plan as far as, I didn't do any prep or anything other than just briefly looking at the website and making sure that the wallet file was available to download and all that stuff. So let's head over there and check it out. So we're going to go to Conceal.network. That's their website. Conceal.network. You can probably see it up there in the top. Now, the one prep that I did do, I synchronized my wallet. Okay, so I do have a launched wallet here with synchronization, and it's all good. So that is one thing that I did. So I'm going to close that. So you go to their website. The very front splash page here has the links to the wallets and roadmap, and they do have an updated roadmap. So if you've been following Conceal for a little while like I have, be sure to check out their latest roadmap. They were supposed to, with everything going on, they were supposed to launch Conceal Live, the messaging app, before the end of last year, before the end of 2020. It looks like that's been pushed back a little bit, and then there's also a swap that they're working on between WCCX, the wrapped Conceal on the Ethereum network, and CCX itself. So they want to make it to where you can swap in and out of the wallet with WCCX for CCX and vice versa. So that's probably the next thing that's coming. Hey, what's up, Brenton Matthews and Donald Summers? What is up? Donald Summers, it is a privacy coin. They're basically started, I think, in 2018, I believe. And they started with the idea of interest earning crypto. So basically like a blockchain bank is the easiest way to describe it, where you basically earn interest on crypto that you stake. And it's cold staking, it's in the wallet. You do it from within the wallet, and it's cold staked, which means that you don't have to leave the wallet up and running. It's staked on the blockchain in a hash time lock contract, HTLC. So you don't have to worry about, hardware expenditure or leaving a machine on or anything like that to do the staking. And if you think about what's going on right now with DeFi, I mean, this was literally DeFi before DeFi was a thing. This was way back in 2018. They had this idea of earning interest on staked coins. So I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, so check them out. It's a small team, small project, very small market cap and all that stuff, but you got to start somewhere. So definitely check them out. So if we go to desktop, we're going to be updating the desktop wallet today. Desktop, and then I'm on Windows. I'm going to use the GUI, not the command line interface. They do have Linux and Mac as well, Paper, Cloud, and Android. I wonder when I haven't heard anything about their iPhone app, but I don't know when that's coming. All right, anyway, so we're going to click on Windows GUI, and it's going to take us over to their GitHub. Now, right here, this is where you want to start being a little bit cautious, right? You want to first verify that you're on the right website, that the link. Now, we navigated here from the official website, right? So if we go back here to Conceal.network, we can also check the security here as well. Click the little, in Brave, you click the little lock icon here, and then you can kind of validate whether or not this is a legit site, whether or not their certificate is valid and all that stuff. So that's one of the first things that you want to do, because you want to avoid installing malicious software, of course, right? So we always want to be a little bit hyper concerned about downloading and installing software on our machines whenever we deal with crypto. So we're going to click the link here. That takes you to their GitHub, and you can verify that up here. Now, after a while, you'll start recognizing names like CryptoCats. He's one of the developers. So, you can kind of get a pretty good feel that this is legit. You got verified here, you've got secure up here, certificate valid, everything looks good. And, in your mind, you're also remembering that you linked to here, not from something that someone sent you in a direct message. You link to here from the official website. So that should give you some confidence. Oh man, thanks Brenton. Thanks so much, man. Yeah, thanks for being you too, man. That's quite generous. I appreciate that. Thanks so much. Big shout out to Brenton. Thanks for that. All right, so from here, I did highlight a couple things. It fixes an issue with the wallet crashing on startup, and then they recommend that if this doesn't work, to go ahead and uninstall and reinstall. Now we're on Windows again, so we are going to click on download for Windows, or you can click it here. Looks like they've provided links up here. They've also provided links down here. I believe it goes to the same thing. So we'll click on this one. Should open up our downloads folder by default. I'm going to save it there. And then if you're kind of new, you might be wondering, what is all this stuff up here? Well, they provide this SHA-256 hash for you to be able to validate the software is what the developers or the manager of this website, the manager of whoever has access to this GitHub here, this logon, it verifies that the file has not changed since being uploaded. So they give you the file hash here. I'll show you this. I'll show you all this in just a second. But they give you the hash here for you to compare to what you downloaded. All right. So we're going to go to where we downloaded the folder or the file. So it looks like this. Now, what I like to do is just fire up a notepad so I can compare the two numbers here. All right. So I like to have notepad open. And we just go over here, and we know that we downloaded the one for Windows. You cannot use the other ones because they're all different, right? If you change a single bit inside of an executable or inside of a file, then it will change the hash altogether. It won't be like just one small change. It'll be the whole thing. So you cannot use like the SHA-256 hash for one file and compare it with another. You can see here that they are all different. Right, so that's not something that you'll want to do. You want to make sure that you're comparing the correct file. We downloaded the one for Windows, so this is the one that we're going to compare it to. I'm going to copy that, throw that out here on my notepad. And then we will go over here to where we downloaded the file. Go up here to the address bar, type in PowerShell so that we can get to PowerShell. It opens on my left screen always. And then we're going to type in, actually let's copy, before we do that, we're going to copy the file name, right? The whole file name, including the extension. If you don't have extensions enabled, you have to go out to your view, settings, options, change, and then you want to go to view, and then this is the way I have mine set up. So you will click show hidden. Well, you don't have to click show hidden, but let's see, hide extensions for known file types. This is the one you want to uncheck so that you can see the actual extension, right? That's .zip in this case. So you come over here and you say get dash file hash, and then paste in the name of the file, and then press enter, and you can see here it's spit you out. So what it did was it ran the SHA-256 algorithm on the file and then gave you the output, the hash. We're going to take this Actually, the way I have to do this, I think I have to hit Control C on the keyboard. You can't just copy it in there. And then we're going to go over here and paste it in the line underneath. And then a real quick view, you can see it's clearly identical, right? So you don't have to worry about the file at all. You know that whoever uploaded it to GitHub verified this, and they're telling you that if these match, then that's the file that they uploaded. That's the only way that they can do it. All right, and again, if there was anything different, this number would not even be close. So just think, you know, if there was 1 bit difference, it wouldn't be like this would be a 9 right here, right? That's not what would happen. It would be a completely different number. All right, a different string. Okay. All right, so we're gonna get out of there. Get out of there. We verified the file. I believe that all of theirs is just. I just double clicked on it. Yeah, so it's just the setup.exe. So I'm just going to extract that. I'll extract it to this location. And I'm going to run it as administrator. And this is always going to happen with Defender and any type of wallet, crypto wallet. So once that comes up, click next. That's where my wallets are stored on a different drive. All this will be, if you haven't uninstalled it, and even if you do, I think it might still leave some information in the registry. So it'll have this information from the last known location of the wallet, or it should. So we're going to click install, finish, and then that is it. So now I don't expect to see any difference in this miner or in this wallet at all, other than because it looked like all they were fixing was, hey, what's up, Max? They were just fixing some startup problems, it looks like. I'm gonna go over here, start up my wallet. That's not good. I wonder, okay. So let's do a uninstall. We get to troubleshoot. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, without showing you anyway, I'm just going to uninstall that wallet from, I can show you a little bit here, let's see here. You know, add remove programs. So I just went to control panel, add remove programs. I'm going to right click on this and uninstall it. Choose uninstall. We're going to get rid of that. And then this kind of reminds me, I probably should have showed you like to back up your wallet files, but this is just the program. This is not necessarily, this is not doing anything to your wallet itself, okay? Although it is probably a good idea. I think it's in this one. Yeah, so it's a good idea to grab your wallets and your address books and put them in a backup folder. I would not put them in the same folder. I just do this. You see this backups here. This is just because of doing the live streams and stuff and showing you guys this stuff. I have backups elsewhere, but just for simplicity, I just put them here during live streams. So you copy your address books and wallets. I have more than one. You may not. Okay, you might just have one wallet, one address book. You don't even have to do the address book, but you know, it's just handy. So you do something like that, and then you know, right click copy, right click paste, that kind of thing, just to back up those files, just in case. So I did uninstall it, and I see that it left a ton of stuff in here. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do here, because it did reference this file right here. In the error, I saw that file right there listed. I'm going to try to install it again and just see, but I have a feeling that we're probably going to see the same problem here. All right, so let's go back over here. Run this again. See now, okay, so now it wants to install it to the C drive. Interesting, because it knows I uninstalled it, so it probably pulled that information out of the registry. So what I'll want to do here, all right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to let's go back to this folder here. Just ignore all these wallets. Guys, I used to do a show, random coin mining show. I have so many different wallets that I downloaded over the years. It's insane in here. Don't think that I'm like shilling these projects, because a lot of them are dead and gone. But let's see here. So I'm gonna go here. First I'm gonna back up all my wallets here. I'm just grabbing pretty much anything that looks similar to a wallet. Okay, copy that. Over here, we'll do a new folder. All right, paste. So now those are in there. All right, so now I got a backup of the wallets. And then I'm going to, everything that's not a wallet, I'm going to archive, okay? I don't know if I already have an archive folder. I don't. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just copying the files for the wallet. This is probably not even necessary, but I'm taking some precautions here. All right, so now the wallet, or this folder here, you know what I need to do too? Probably let's grab all these folders too. Those in archive as well. All right, so now all I have is wallets. I don't have any program files, so I think I'll be okay now. All right, now if we go back to, oh, this is fun. Go back over here. Run as administrator. I tell it, see it defaults to there, so I'm going to tell it to go to the location I want it to go to, which is out on my D drive under here. Under wallet. Now here's the thing though, I don't know if, see, I think it creates that folder, so what I really want to do is just click CCX up here, because it creates that Conceal Wallet folder for me. There we go. Otherwise you would have Conceal Wallet and then Conceal Wallet again. I'm gonna go like that. Not that much, not that many files here. And now if we go back to Conceal Wallet, see what it looks like now. There are some new files in here. This is a new wallet file right here. So put all this stuff back in here. So now let's try to run it. And it is launching the splash page on my left monitor, which you can't see. So it did launch. It is 6.4.2, so that's good. Let me throw in my password here so I can show you the wallet. All right, so it looks like that. Let me get rid of all this stuff in the back here. All right, so we are synchronized. We're at 6.4.2. You can see that up here. Yeah, not much. There's no difference to the interface or anything. It all looks the same. They've done a lot of work to their wallet over the years. They've got a lot of market information in here now. They used to not have that. So you can see the market cap of the project. Super small, guys. 310,000. Come on. That's like a, what do they call that? A nano cap, I think. Very small. A little bit of volume though. I think that's a little bit more. I mean, it says 20% change than yesterday, but that's more than I'm used to seeing anyway. And let's see, you can see I've got some locked deposits here, earning interest on that. I think I only staked it for like a month, so So that's probably coming up pretty soon that I can get that out of there. And let's see, that's about it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really going to go over the wallet or anything, but you can see what it's all about here. All right, let me check the chat, and then we are done. We're going to get out of here. What's up, Serpent? What's up, John Germain? I think I hit everybody. Unknown Crypto, what is up? Unknown Crypto, I looked that up for somebody today. P104-100. I think it was something like, oh man, I want to say it was 100 core, 500 memory, and 115 watts, I believe. Something like that. What's up, Gundy? Are you guys going live tonight? I don't know if anybody's going live after me here. Let me know. All right, we got the usual suspects. A couple of new people commenting, so that's cool. Yeah, Unknown Crypto. I'm not 100% sure on that. We can go and kind of poke around here. You know, there's a database for overclock settings. It's Overcooked Panda, no relation to Red Panda Mining or anything like that. So it's Overcooked Panda Overclocks database. It's hanging off of the Coin2Mine website. So if you go to coin2mine.today, it's over here on the left. It says overclocks. So then you can, now I've never looked up a P100, what was I saying? Golly, P104-100 on here before. So let's see if it's in here. P104-100 right there. I suppose you want to do Ethereum. They have ETC hash in here now? Yeah, they do. Okay, cool. And then search. Nothing. Let's go with -mu. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, sometimes you miss. Looks like this one is one that they don't have anything in here. I wonder, because I believe that this database gets updated from Hive OS, if I understand correctly. It like pulls the information from Hive like in some type of a API situation. And I was thinking that, I don't see why that card wouldn't be on there, but yeah, so you got the P106s in here. Interesting. Nothing for the P104-100. Weird. Yeah, I don't know. Now it's going to act funny too. So I'm searching on this one and it's showing me P106 still. I don't know, something seems wacky here. Oh, it's still building. Never mind. Uh-oh. All right. Coin2Mine's down, it looks like. At least that part of it. That's weird. All right. Yeah, if you guys came here for the Conceal Network wallet update, we're done with that. Just trying to find some overclock settings. Interesting. Oh, thanks, Throwing Lemon. Awesome, man. Thanks so much. Yeah, I will check out. Yeah, I was waiting on that light wallet actually. Excited about that. Yeah, just thanks so much. That's awesome, man. Thanks. Let's see. Overclocks. I'm trying to figure out where I saw. It might have been on. And I would have to look. I'd have to figure it out. I'd have to do some research to find out where I saw that. It was actually a comment on one of my videos that I looked it up and gave the guy the answer, but I don't remember where I found it from. But I think it was 100, 500, 115. I think actually technically it was 70% of TDP. So whatever your card's TDP is. I know they're all that particular card should be about the same, but I think it was 115, 120 watts, somewhere around in there. Yeah, well alert. ETH 1352. Is that the first? Let's see. Let's go to CoinGecko here. Did we? Yeah, it's only showing 1330. It was 1340. Was the all-time high, right? So now, do we have a new all-time high now? Did it pop above that? $14.40. Okay, so no. Okay, I was thinking 1340. So it's 1448. So we haven't hit the 1448 yet. That's crazy, right? 43 cents. All right. All right, cool stuff, man. Thanks for all the super chats. You guys are awesome. Throne Lemon, appreciate that, sir. Brenton, thanks so much. Much appreciated. Everybody's feeling all generous because, you know, ETH is at near all-time high. I do appreciate it, guys. That's awesome. Yeah, I'll look at the Electron wallet whenever I get a chance. Maybe we'll do a video on that as well. I was waiting on that. I think it'll be cool. So, if you thought that this was interesting or entertaining or educational in any way, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If I can talk, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below what you think about Conceal, whether or not you like this type of video, what other types of videos you'd like to see me do. And yeah, it should be interesting. Keep it interesting. All right, you guys aren't chatting too much, so I'm going to get out of here. I don't know if anybody else is going live. Check the usual suspects in our little community here, our little crypto mining community. Maybe somebody will be going live. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try to do more like posted videos and a live stream. I think it's going to be a pretty heavy pace, pretty difficult pace, but I'm going to see if I can do it for a little while. We'll see what happens with it. But I will be live tomorrow night at 9:30 also, or 9:30. I've been doing like 9:45 because I like to try to be done by 10. But look at what happens. You guys get me off track and, you know, distract me and stuff, and then I go long. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow night. Stay savage, everybody.